But you see the face I don't know, man. One Maggy Films, man, and a two. All who they already, family already. All who new, come right through. See, you are going now. You see, on the Sunday, I put together Problem Bike episode 1 and 2. And this is for all who never watch it yet, you know. See? If you want to watch it again, no problem, you know, but you don't know, it's more lengthy, you know, right? Anyway, before we make you watch it, I want to address some comments I'm seeing in the comment section regarding the bike. See? You see the bike now? Yo, but did have to name the movie Problem Bike, you know? Because guess what now? You see the morning, you see the night, before I shoot, my brother called me and tell me, say, yo, you want to go and Jay? You don't want to see the bike down? The bike give me some mechanical problem, I have to go put it in a shop. I said, jeez and peace, you want to go on. But when I don't know Maggy Films things set already, you know, so I stay at home. I need to beat up my head, I just get some rest and push out in the morning and I just revisit the script and say, you want to go on. So I have to go do episode 3, you see me? Yeah, man, so I have it, but guess what now? Episode 4, I'm going to see more of the bike and I'm going to see more of Pinky. See? So you want to go on now. Where you say? Sweet can? Talk to the people.
Maggy Films at the subscribe. 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 Subscribe.
Auntie, how that man?
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Yeah, problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike. Me love girls, me love girls, me love girls from all over the world. Me love white girl, me love black girl, me love tall girl, me love short girl. Girls are my thing, girls are my thing. What a pity I could be a man. What a pity I could be a man. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike. Any money you have in your pocket, from a see the girl, what me like, you have to take it out and give her. What me name? Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. You better know. Yeah, problem bike. Girls are my thing, girls are my thing. The girls them say me a them king. Me love Keisha, Trisha and Kim. And what them call me? Problem bike, problem bike, problem bike. Me a the problem bike, problem bike. I'm the problem bike. Yeah, you know I'm the problem bike. Anywhere you see me, and anywhere I see some girls that I like, you know it goes. Money gonna flow. Yeah, shit, you gotta do that dance. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike.
Seal out. Bike for sale. Seal out on the bike, yeah. Seal out on the bike, yeah. Seal out. Seal out. Come on, my general. You want the bike for buy?
Well, the sell it?
Yeah, man. Right now. You don't want it?
What I want is, yes, but I don't know how much I'll take for.
Any amount you have, man. You don't really have no steady price. Just give me your money, man, and go on with it. Key in there, everything, gas in there, everything, it a work.
Do okay, man. I must do okay.
A serious thing, man. Any amount of money you have right now, I take you and get you go on with it. No, good, man. Sell me, I sell by a business, me I do, you know. Yeah, man. Any amount you have.
Well, sir, everything up and running.
Everything up, everything at work. Everything.
So, I can't sell it. What for your reason why you sell it?
I just want to sell it. I want some money. So,
you know, anything you have?
Anything you have, just give me and go on with it.
Yeah, so man. Alright, hold on now. See what I go on now.
Yeah, man.
Party, yeah, general.
Yeah, man.
Do what I go on. Because I say anything, you know, so. I mean, okay, I'll make up something funny there real quick. I mean, A man fi a skate on a toll thing, you know. I'm even a woman now, so when we get this, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So watch out now.
Yeah, bragging and make you can wash it down.
This now, check off $100 that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put 200 Jamaican on it, you know.
Yeah, man. Me not tell you anything, man. Go on, man. Till key like that, man. Everything, man. Go on and run, man.
Manners are respected.
Manners.
Pick up yourself in general.
Alright.
Yeah. I want to help this too, you. I want to help this too. That's up. Bomba! Yo! Hold on there. And if a boy you sell me bad bike on a work, boy. Awo! A road, you know. Hey, nice lady, you just ride walk out the road, sir.
Sorry about that.
I don't know, big bike rider, I just buy it, you know. So, I don't want to lose control you understand? Look nice too.
Thanks.
Real. What's your name?
Pinky. And yours?
Oh, you know, sir, Kevin. Yeah, man.
You look nice though.
Real. And you know, sir, this is my hard clothes. Yeah, man.
That not say.
Clothes this man. I work, I go on furniture, I build them thing there, you know?
That not say. It still look good.
Oh, real.
And for some reason I like you, so.
Yeah. You blush as a big man though. You look nice too. So tell me now, you're plural or you're single?
Singular.
What you say? Me single too, you know. So that makes two of us. Maybe we could help out each other, you know?
So how will they go?
You know, so as I say, I work, I go on furniture, I build on them thing and I go up on the work and I go see if I can do up some work for some people, you know? Yeah. So what you up to? Because I don't really necessarily have to go to work still, you know. You understand?
Oh, but my friend me there go, but that no matter now, because I see you now and I like you, so that not really matter right now.
Wow. So I think so maybe like oh you are single and I'm a single and maybe we could have plural up, you know? You know what I mean? Make a thing happen up. So I say.
Anything or anything.
I'd love to get to know you. So you would like to get to know me as well? So you have the time now because I have the time, you know. Like
Well,
I said,
I have the time, so come on.
I don't really work with anybody like that, you know. So let's go. We'll have one drink down the road there.
Yeah.
You know about bike though, you just, you know? Alright, hold on, pack it. You hear it? Powerful piece of machine, you know. Yeah.
Nice.
I want to play the ground. But they want to take the match now, but I go over here to go sit down. Yeah, man.
But me not come, I want somebody free at all cross road.
Better bounce me, you know. Go to me, general. Go to. But no, I know I do it. I want to see it over there. Yeah, baby. Look out for the high seas, you know? That's a pool, not too? Real, man. Yeah.
But you see rough.
See that really rough? So when you say rough, I'll up a say water there. Yeah, man. So what you do in your spare time?
Watch TV, read a book, sometimes I sing. But nobody ask me to sing for you, because I'm not going to sing for you.
You know, say you want to sing for me.
No.
No, I want your advice.
No. I'm not sing.
Oh, alright, you want to go on. You see me? I do a little bit of singing to you know. So you
Sing for me.
no, ladies before gentlemen.
No.
What you mean no?
Bypass that for today. Just
No,
sing
I
for
not
me first.
bypass that before. But anyway, so in my spare time I enjoy making furniture. You understand? I've been doing that from a tender age. Yeah man. And I love football and things. The match that I go on in there, so you see if anybody there, after I watch a match right now with Barcelona and Germany.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man.
I see how you are going in there a while ago.
Yeah man, and so I'm a virgin them in there, I watch it you know. But I have something better than that I deal with right now. Something that I always a dream for. You know? So it's like my life does take a sudden turn to the better within the past about 2 days now. I just buy my bike, you know. I meet the princess, my life I go on. I love how my life I go on. Yeah man. So tell me something else about yourself. Take your time man. You see you? We can take a light there. You know, follow me, take big man there.
Hear this? Somebody like someone do me item already?
Yeah, I one beer you drink, you know.
So like someone do me item already?
Yeah,
How
they look glassy.
Alright.
But we could just enjoy the scene, man, the whole ambience. You know, look on the boat out there. So.
Yeah.
It's a tourist sport, you know. Cause you don't know Niggle is a tourist place, you know, man. So you see later, alright, I go carry up on my ends, you can put on your bag and thing and get used to the place. See at the night, we are going to go to Margaritaville. Right? You don't know, I have my work to do, you know. I feel no way. But right now, I need some breeze. You know what I mean? A long time I've been waiting for this. You know? Hold on. Hello? Yes, ma'am. You know, say furniture, yes, it just I done in about. Check me later, man. You can come fit later, man. Yeah, my dad shop you now, man. I eat my work one right now. So by later, I done spray it up and you can come for it, alright? Alright. No man, later you get it, you know. I don't have nothing to do later. So I finish work on it. Right. No, the reason I take the down payment on it is because I did have to buy some material. Alright. Wow, sorry about that, yeah? Why them people are stressing. Sometimes you take people work and then there's a piss, you know, man.
Yeah, I know them people there.
I tell you, man, I had a night one lady carry for her husband come from me and come up be nice. And the man now, it's like, he must say, boy, I'm going to call police for me and all them stuff there. Why you laugh?
What? No furniture man not easy at all. No full of baga.
Boy, man, I tell you, furniture is not easy, man. And we have a little stigma for ourselves where everybody feels that we are just this con man, but sometimes the work not normal. You have, look, you have to take on the next work, you know. In order to make money, you can't just have one work. So when somebody is carrying the next work come, you make sure you secure this work and you secure that work. That's how money make.
So what about when you tell us if you come?
Yeah.
It's a day and how you come under the day?
Because most of the time we're going to deliver furniture and something then. Or we're going to the place where them have the cedar tree, them and sell them or them something. You know? But anyway, enough for that. We are talking about the nice ambience and, you know, so we could take a walk over the beach side now.
Yeah, come
and
on.
Then after that we can walk go over my house, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So I get to my brain apart.
General. Yeah, man. It's alright. That's something, you know?
Yeah. That vibe right nice too.
Yes, man. That's when I go down the road, that's so. Road the corner, that's so reach out there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Reach out now, you know?
Reach.
Yeah, man. Right, that's so. Yeah, man. Alright, that's so, you know?
Straight round.
Yeah, straight round the corner, so. Yeah, man. Yeah, you know? Right, that's how I live, you know?
Good see ya. Now lock for your door.
Not really, you know. Not teeth not really too there about on my block, they know what will happen if them forward on the block, you know? Yeah. This is the block. Well, the door can go and walk the same way. Get some fresh air. Yeah, so this is it. Welcome, you know? Make yourself comfortable, man. Go. Well, hold on. Me now no inside bathroom as I can see. A outside latrine and the kitchen around there, so. So make yourself comfortable. Lie down on bed. Me I work on one TV, you know. So as soon as you get the TV, we can watch some TV. But for now, we don't know what phone we use, so I don't know a TikTok around the place and them things there, so we don't need no TV. Yeah. Yeah.
So food round they can cook.
Yeah, man, food always in my kitchen, man.
Oh.
But I don't really feel for no food still, but if I feel for food still,
So what you feel for?
something like sandwich or something.
Alright, me go make you and come
Yeah,
back.
man, do you do? You're a kitchen now, no? And I'm my kitchen again, you know. Thank you, God. Finally get a woman, you know, and start a family. Boy, man, I tell them I get my bike, I get my woman, you know. Thank you, God. Yeah, man.
Babe. Babe.
Oh, I'm going. Wait, that was quick. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
First time I go eat from you know. Yes, a sandwich make them bad. Them nice. Mm. Mm-mm. Yes, yes, chef. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Are you hungry?
Mm-mm.
Eh?
I'm busy now. Mm-mm. Them life family a dream about, you know. So you been here now, they make my dream come true. Yeah. My gosh. Mm-mm.
You just eat, so you didn't even offer me one of them.
I'm sorry, but okay, have one. No me make it for. Oh. Yeah, I have to move out now.
So you have to go in so early.
Yeah, man, no matter furniture work I do, you know. I move furniture I build, I move money I make. I mean, I hold for furniture and now for my hand and I forget off of my hand. People are calling from all longer. I know they can't blame. They can't blame man like me, man. I tell you. So, I head out now, right? Later on, right? You look nice in my bed though. Up on the work, you know. Hold on, you see my pencil?
Oh, yes, I don't know
Oh,
where.
see.
See it there.
So later on, yeah?
Yeah, later.
Brother. Where are you dealing?
What do you mean me a deal?
Oh God.
How you get bike from?
Where me get bike? On my bike. Buy.
Buy a bike.
That's sitting here right, that's something I know.
Yo, come here, sitting around with you, you know. You buy people and bike and that's how you buy bike.
I buy
eh?
no bike. I buy this a bike.
Come start work. I'll give
So hold on, you
bike.
don't believe me?
You mean believe you? You don't believe in youth?
I buy my bike, brother.
Alright, so how you buy bike? Eh? Tell me how you buy bike. How you know have no money?
Eh.
See? What's it? Them the man that buy them bike. You buy them on them bike and I
buy
come go on like say.
Believe me.
Believe
Bike
how?
never there.
You mean somebody over there?
The bike never there, brother.
So how you get bike?
I tell you, say me buy the bike from my brother, you don't believe me?
So how you get
my
money?
bike, brother?
My money buy bike, but you don't have no money.
I just see papers that me I wait for now if you come down.
Me no get no, alright.
Brother.
No, see you collect deposit from people. See? You talk to you, man. You talk to you.
What you say?
Because right now, I'm going to trust the bike at their yard right now.
Brother,
That me I tell you.
where your face? I tape it.
You get deposit. Fear deposit, them can't buy bike. That's the first thing.
What you mean somebody deposit and can't buy back?
You can't walk.
Yo, at 30,000 Keisha give me for build that. What not the way you see up there?
You talk about what not? My girl come check you and say she want to dress her. And that me I talk about.
Call me already, man.
The people in back them bike and let's get to work. And that me I tell you.
Brother, no worry about
Because
that.
this can't add up.
Brother, some work me I put in an idea, man. Yo, me
No, that if
everybody
you, man.
will get them sit over there and forget, man.
So,
So you say, you the buy the lumber them. I bet you not all the lumber them.
alright, you are going. You feel some me a joker like a you? Eh? You feel some me a run joke?
Me say if you order lumber them for the man.
Everything order.
Yo, what?
I just you if you know say, who have to go on tree.
You what go on? You what go on? Me have a better deal. Me book one link right now, see? That the man have some cedar tree down there. And he have a sawmill.
I be a chat, I come for chat, you know.
Hold on,
And I be-
seriously. Me out there, the seat there. Me not afraid if you done. You start fear yet? You just start with the seat there. See how the wardrobe there soon done.
Yo, I be a joking
Listen me now, listen me now. Me I say, you see that the man who have a cedar tree them, bro.
Yeah.
We can get about
Tree.
50 cedar tree from him and him have a sawmill where he can cut down.
Mm.
Him can cut the tree them and splice the lumber them food.
Mm.
You understand me I did?
And what else?
So me I say,
Get the work done, man, cause
Alright.
every time you talk,
Alright,
I be just talk, you talk. I
Alright,
can't man talking.
Is that-
Talking can't collect money. Eh?
alright.
Everything you come in is a chat, bring back the people and bike.
Alright, brother,
You
alright.
understand me? I say? As a matter of fact, we want to go down the road and start out. Alright.
Are you
You
use
can ride bike?
Of course,
So
brother.
how you bike a juke come in? I be a
Brother.
juke come. Eh?
What you mean the bike a juk. You know say the bike good, man. You want me left down the road or what?
That me want you do. Alright, before you do that work here, just left me right down at sitting there. Mass John Shop or something. Watch out my pens. Drop to beef boy.
Oh yeah, a food lunch I get.
Eh?
Yo, are you use out me clear, brother?
Alright, if two over there.
No, me I say for you use out it.
If
Me
two-
left more in this, brother.
Alright, if two over there. And you no use it. No must me use it. But I use it if you do work.
Boss, man.
The
Boss.
one time you spend a little money and buy one a little clear. I mean I might stack up a shop, you know. All if you don't I mean I might stack up a
Listen,
shop.
me know.
So why you make it sound like something? We
When
do
me buy
one
this something
time.
them, when me buy this something them, me can't get a good use out for them because right now me have to go stay in this and now.
You know what you owe me? Friend back.
How much more, yo?
What you mean?
Some of them
I'm
pay
ma-
already.
Yo, I just get the work done here, sir.
Yo, where say I go? Me left it down the road. Go feel this so smooth. I last night me spend a sunny down. Feel it. Work a go on. So Keisha go get in a week here. Work a go on. Me not tell you what, man.
Boy lean, so you say lean.
No, in a lane.
You lean, yo, and then you put. Brother, she never tell you say she want it on both sides. Eh? Both drop on both sides.
Look
You
at
see, you
them.
can't concentrate. She said she want to draw them on both sides. Over here, over here, so. Now you put drop on only one side height. Yo, enough time you come place, you know the work, you're too incompetent, you know. And that me I tell you, you know.
Ah,
You see,
yo.
my place, my workshop have to always up. People have to want to come here. People have to hear about it.
Listen,
Everybody have to satisfy.
Listen, man.
You know, come on and come do. Yeah, you run here and then you come table your bike.
Listen me. Sometimes they might want something. They might want job, but you have to give them what you know, sir.
No.
Alright.
Give them what them pay for. If they want draw, go right up to them draw and then put them panty or whatever the case may be, you give them what they want.
No,
See,
you
so,
can't do so.
what do you mean so you can't do
So
so?
if they want job at this, so me a different style, me I give them when they see it, them all love it.
And then when
Oh, my man, girl, you see when you come on my man, you talk to me good. You see, my man make furniture and them do something there. Not do that, not bright yourself. Oh. Actually, me take you wrong way. Alright, so, girl, remember so later on you want to have one little drink out. Alright, that is it. Right, face to yourself with my man.
you come and tell us if you give about the money like how Peter when
Yeah,
you come
give them back, eh.
Peter and you must have bail, me bail.
Hey, but me give back Peter the money now.
Hey, me and me give back Peter money.
You lucky I give back money.
Jesus, yo, I hear me.
Yo, come
Jump
on,
on, jump on, jump on,
alright,
jump
you
on.
know, but
Me alright.
give back Peter, man. Peter.
You see,
Peter,
come
alright.
on, want thing work, give her the work or she want it because she want 4 more drivers.
I'm left down the road, brother. Cause right now,
Let me take a message. You understand what? You understand what going on in life? Man?
give back Peter money. Peter all criminal.
No, I'm not let me too less. Because people go on, come
Man, big, everything good.
Yeah, walk show. People are
What, man? What are you?
Let me saw me.
What go on?
So your bike a shock. How old bike you buy, man?
Shock. Forward on the bike, brother. No bike now, shock. Boom. What do you bike?
Yo. A joke business is that? A joke business is that?
Brethren, this a bike a shock. Something wrong with them, man.
Yo, I say a
Yeah,
joke
man.
business. A joke business. Also, I'm supposed to have bus out start. A joke business.
Brother,
Eh?
what kind of bike a shock?
Let me say what kind of bike a shock.
Feel the bike.
You mean something the bike? Yes, yes, yes,
So that.
Yo, go on, here, go on. Take it to myself, I'm a slippers, bust out to bump and scale. Let me go check Peter and wait one. Sure, you hear me?
But you not shock me.
Let me say now shock you.
Either. You don't understand. Bike not even a shock, brother.
Alright, me can't believe saying no Pepsi. If you know no Pepsi. Alright.
Go on, man. You shut off. Go on now. Go on now.
Sir. You alright? Hello? What's wrong? You alright?
Nice lady. You know say nice?
Me know about me ask if you alright.
Hold on, me I get hold on. Me have full of US. Full of US and sit. Full of US. Here. Hold this. Hold on on this now. Hold everything. You're beautiful and nice.
So,
You're too nice, man. You're too. You don't have to like me now. I just like you. I like you.
So you just like me, you just like give me your money, sir?
Yeah. I like you. All the silver them. All the silver them I get. But you don't have to like me back.
Me not understand this.
Mommy,
Like,
you're not going to understand this. You look very nice. Go ahead now. That is 700,000. That is for you. Furniture.
just like that?
Furniture me do. We can't go now. We can't go on now. Alright, so you start then. Shit, man. Hold on. You little silver them, brother. Oh gosh, man, I save them. Alright. Later, yeah. Oh gosh. Auntie, mommy, hurry up and go on. You can't go on now. Alright. You can't go on now. Jeez, I'm pleased. See you already there. Yes, sir, you. Watch out. Where you tap us up? Watch out.
how are you?
What nice lady.
No,
You look so beautiful.
thanks, but what?
Hold on, don't move. You look so beautiful. Hold on. All of me pay. Me just sell some furniture a while ago. Cause furniture work me do. And do to you look beautiful. This is yours. You not for need, you not for want me. Right? You not for want me.
You just give me money until
Yeah.
you pay because I'm beautiful.
Yeah.
But you look like you don't want to give me
No,
money.
me I give you.
You sure?
Me I give you, man. Me I give you, man. That tell you, yeah? You can buy something for yourself, man.
You just give me all my money I use
Yeah.
sell a furniture.
Yeah.
It's not safe.
That at least, you just look nice, you just look beautiful. Take care of
I
yourself.
never see this funny day I born. Yeah, this not safe. Something wrong here.
Wow, boy.
Mind the bike bun you.
No, I buy it now about me, man. Jeez,
How?
What? What? Start now, no. You just want to start now. Miss, give me back the money now. Alright.
No, sir, this is not no
Please,
safe.
man.
Something wrong here. That is not safe. Thank you still.
Can't believe that doctor doing it. Hey, wait there. Tap us. What you just do? I'm the last money you just give away. Eh? I'm the last money you just give away. Eh? What you do? Get angry? What you do? Fling? Fling after me. Eh? I'm licking it. Hey, what? Ease. Circle, seize. Calm, see. Calm, see. Can't go funny now. Jeez. Yeah, man. That's cool, I'm a killer. Boom.
Bad dog. Jaja youth. Yo, me Jenna.
Hey! Wait.
Killer.
Go on.
Want?
What going on, man?
I want to my father.
Good day, man.
Oh, you move so. I never see you like this before.
I might buy this, you know.
Are you about this?
Yeah, man. Good, man.
So I buy me get feel nice or no bro, I know you this. I first me see you like this, bro.
What me do?
Want to you, bro?
I don't know, I think I come up.
Come out the road, my father. Come out the road, please. Yeah, man. Put it on the stand.
What you say go on now?
Yeah, man.
I'm talking.
Father. No, man.
Something to me, I don't know. What you
No, me no really know you like this, my father.
What do
I
me?
dance and them thing. Me know you as a youth, you
You need
humble.
to dance a while ago.
You need a oh, Jesus Christ. Father, God.
You need to dance?
You need a dance?
No. So you look like me did a dance?
Ch-
What you say that? What you say that, brother?
Bro.
I've been long time. What you say that?
What on there?
Man,
Bro, me see you dance, bro. Like music a play, bro.
On my bike. This is my bike. It's a good bike, brother. So nobody point funny, you know. It's a good bike, brother.
Father, you wanna no disrespect my father. You wanna
I'm
know.
tell you the truth too. I got through some problem that's going
Yeah, me
on.
no know, man. Me know you know my friend.
Problem, brother. Right now, the face them for sell it.
No, my father. You wanna man. Don't sell the bike, man. Cause watch you now, no. You want good youth, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, know say something wrong. But you are going
Something alright. Something alright.
something alright, my father.
Yeah.
Like come like you are pick up the energy.
The problem with every way me go it a broke down. What does that? It just a broke down. Just that alone, brother.
But watch you now, no. Me I go say something to you still. You
Yeah,
feel
man,
like
man.
you have to go take a check up.
Check up.
Yeah, man. Shh, take time talk, no, man. Feel like you have to take a check up, bro.
The bike here, what you sending
Yeah.
that to you.
Right. Because you know,
Yeah.
you know, one lady up a grass piece in your auntie. Dangerous, woman. If ants up on you and find you, if mosquito bite you and kill you.
So any problem you have?
Any problem you have,
But here what you say for find auntie?
you
Grass
have
piece.
grass piece. You have to go up red ground. You have
Yeah.
one place where they call him. You have one place where they call him Groveland. You just want to reach up at a crossroad, right a little bar ground or so. You have to go straight down.
Yeah.
You have a look like you go back to Western. No, just so you take a left.
Oh.
It's when you go up in your lane there. When you go up in your lane, so you up in your lane. Yeah, no ask anybody. Just pick out the foolish somebody and say, yo, I will answer there. The foolish somebody. Just look man, my foolish.
So how may I know a foolish somebody?
Well, me no know, you know, you have to help yourself with that. But anybody you see like I foolish somebody, just ask them, who ni auntie.
Sometimes fool print out on paper.
Jesus Christ. I was school you used to go, you know say you're smart.
That's true, man.
You're smart.
No, man.
But you are one big man.
I level subject me having, man.
You are now.
Yeah.
Me never go up there still, you know.
You never go up there?
No.
So oh you send me up there?
Well, because I in the street, me there.
So you send me up there and you never go up there?
Because me in the street, so you're in the street, you hear and you see things.
Alright,
But
yo.
me never send you up there, you know.
Me I go up there now.
I know, me send you up there, you know.
Alright, that's enough.
Yeah, but me feel like you have to go up there, check
Early
out.
up now go up there. Brother,
Watch
I'm
out, man.
talking. Me and you.
Yeah, man. Just cool, man.
Yo, you say for you tap me.
Yeah.
And raise with me.
Hey,
Feel better now.
you see a dance, so you're dancing, but still, you know.
Me know
All
so
you-
you dance still.
Oh, Jesus!
You see me and dance but me don't know, me just feel nice.
See, you don't know, say you dance.
No, me just feel nice at one part, brother.
Alright, you are
You
one.
know, we link
Do
up.
it here.
Every time,
Yeah,
General.
oi.
Yeah.
I know, me send you up there, you know.
No problem, man.
Alright, big up yourself here. Yeah.
Auntie. Can come. Auntie. Can come.
If you come in a me yard, make sure you have sense. Hey! Make sure you have sense. Oh, make sure you have sense. Cause me see the bike for a long time. Hey! I see the bike. That bike is a powerful bike. Come here to me, boy. I will tell you about me. If you come in a me yard, make sure you have money. Hey, I don't work for free, young man. Make sure you have some money. I know about that bike long time. I can see it in my crystal ball. Yes! It is there. If you sell that bike, hey! My ancestors tell me everything about that bike. That bike, oh my God.
What you say you sure, auntie?
Come here. Don't listen to my dog barking around the back. He's my watchman.
Okay, auntie.
He will not bite you unless I say so. Come to me.
Eh?
Come to me, man. Don't act like you're scared because the person who tell you about me, you should have known say you're afraid when you reach my gate. Come to me.
I'm not scared, auntie. Me just know
Come
say...
to me. Come to me. I need to talk to you.
Alright. I'm not scared, man. I just look around, you know.
Stop.
Yeah.
Take off your shoes.
Shoes.
You're supposed to take off your shoes before you come in at my place, boy.
Alright.
The person who tell you, they not tell us that them did have to do it before they come here.
No, auntie.
Take
no.
off your shoes. I don't want you nasty up my place. Maybe I'll tap in some shit down the line.
No, auntie.
You cannot nasty up my carpet.
I never do that. I carpet
Put them
this,
one
auntie.
side, don't bring them in here.
I carpet this, auntie.
Leave it alone and mind your own business.
Alright.
Come to me. Stand right there.
On the breadfruit, leave them.
No, on the carpet, do not disrespect my carpet. Put up back your foot, sir.
Yes, sir.
On the carpet.
What you call the carpet?
May you
Auntie,
dirty up my
sorry
floor.
about that now.
Stand up on the carpet.
Yes, sir.
On the carpet. Put up your foot on the carpet. Put up your next foot.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, on the carpet, sir.
Yes, sir.
On the carpet.
Where carpet them?
Mind your dirty up my floor, sir. Mind your dirty up.
Yes,
my
sir.
floor. Not dirty up my floor.
Alright. Yes, sir.
Right there, sir. Stand right there, sir.
Alright.
Anyway, look into my face.
Yeah.
And I don't want you to quint.
Right.
Because if you quint, you're going to be in a, oh God.
Me nah quint, man.
Shh, don't talk while I'm talking.
Alright, auntie.
You're going to get into a big trouble if you quint.
Alright.
So do not quint.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
Auntie,
Alright.
auntie, me can't quint now.
No. You're not supposed to quint. And if you disobey me, you're going to
Yeah.
get into a big problem. Listen to me.
Yeah, hard to no quint.
Hey.
I them a bun me now.
Where you come out?
Eh?
Where you come out? Where you want?
Auntie, make me comfortable. Let me quint now. Do. Let me quint and talk and read with you when I come back.
No. You cannot
Yeah.
quint. Because if
Yeah.
you don't listen to me, you disrespect and disobey my ancestors. What are you here for?
I'm here for.
Yes, where you come out?
Why? What me know say auntie, me try not to quint now. Do me a beg man. Make me quint now.
Come on for the quinting part.
Why auntie, me can't have to quint auntie. It a bun me auntie man.
You just break one of the rules!
Sorry about that auntie man. I took me them a bun me. Hold on auntie. Let me tell you what me really
What you
come.
want?
Let me tell
What
you
make
now.
you come on me yard? You disrespect my ancestors.
Let me tell you
Right
now,
in front of them.
Let me tell you now. Me have a, you see bike up your auntie. That be a problem with give me. So, but you just say bike a while ago. You just say that me come out. Before me open, so me shock when you tell me say bike, you know. And you,
My ancestors gone to sleep now. And I guess you're waking them up.
alright.
You need to listen to me carefully.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing is wrong with the bike. The bike is okay. You
Auntie.
break one of my rules.
Auntie, what
And my ancestors vex. And the vexation that you give to them, they drunk and fell asleep.
Auntie, what on?
Get out.
Me not go quit, man. What on? Auntie, wait, say nothing wrong with the bike.
The bike is okay. Please go.
Auntie,
Please go.
stop true, me go quit.
You need to go.
Hold on, alright. Me not bother quit, auntie.
Me say you must go on.
Do me a bigger, look her.
Come off of me carpet and go on.
Nah, just tell me, auntie.
What me say if you do go on?
Oh, auntie, man. Jesus. Do man, help me now.
Go on. Anyway, come back right here, so. Stand up on the carpet.
Yes, auntie.
You cannot see them. Only me.
Yeah.
You have to be very powerful and spiritual in the spiritual realm. There's a warfare going on up there.
Watch out.
And I do not want you to intervene with my ancestors.
So, auntie.
Mind your own business.
Hold on, auntie. Watch out. I want to so WhatsApp tree that. Eh?
Hello. Go on. Stand up. Don't go. Hold out your hand. You're not to smell that. You always break rules. You must ask questions before you do things in life. You will get yourself in big problem.
Auntie, you wanna? Me leave it.
That is very powerful.
So
you're going to be okay.
Me?
Yes. So you listen.
Mm.
You mustn't bed for 5 weeks. When you reach home, shut up. While I'm talking, you listen.
Yes, auntie. Yes, auntie.
That's the reason why I can see you're going to get in big problem. But don't worry about it. I'm looking forward to see you again. Do not smell it.
All right, no, but to smell how you auntie.
Listen to me. When you reach home, pick 3 WhatsApp leaf. I am not going to write it. You know why?
Yeah.
I don't want my penning to finish.
No, WhatsApp tree up there, auntie.
Listen, you're going to get it anywhere you can get it. This is Jamaica, so WhatsApp tree is everywhere.
Yeah, them a bone,
So,
auntie.
listen to me now. When you reach home,
yeah,
you're going to get 3 WhatsApp leaf.
But me just tell you say, no.
1 piece of ginger, shut up and remember when you go, because if you do them wrong, that's your fault. 3 WhatsApp leaf, 1 piece of ginger, 1 olive oil, virgin, extra virgin olive oil, 2 pieces of yam.
Then auntie.
And the head of the saltfish, not the body.
So you could write it down, because I don't remember, you know.
My ink is going to finish on you, and I have other customer on their way coming all the way from Kingston to Negril.
Alright.
Okay. Remember, do not bathe for 5 weeks.
5 weeks. Then
And you're going to wear the same clothes for 5 weeks. Don't change it.
Then suppose I smell the flowers, auntie. Auntie, how that man?
Go!
Auntie.
And you will be okay. Go. Take your bike and go.
That molly man.
Go. Take your bike and go.
Auntie, that molly man.
Now.
That molly. Why?
Remember. Go.
Molly.
Take your bike and go.
A real space I'm come.
You're gonna be okay. Don't worry.
But
May God go with you. You're stubborn. You're disobedient. You break the ancestors' rule. Me no want you left no crosses nor nothing will come with you and that the bike they in a film yard. Because me know from you they come say me can't manage you and me can't help you. So may God go with you. Whatever happened to that bike, it is too powerful. I cannot help you. As I said before, may God go with you on that bike. Me no know what make you come in a me yard. Hey! Why you choose me yard? You have to find somebody else. Don't come back to me yard. Your bike is a warrior and I cannot manage it. Don't come back to me yard.
later. Nah, chop it on you today. Nah, chop it on you today. Yeah, me tell you, cool man. Wait, someone that looks stressed out to you, man. How are you, man? How are you? So what are going on now? Where you going? Where you make you start off on now? Hey, the number you shining, boy. Shine, man. Yeah.
But you love a dirty shirt, eh? What? Every day a dirty shirt, eh? You wash your shirt?
You love that dirty
Any
shirt?
day you smell like a madman in there, you know, and last day coming there, you know. And that me I tell you.
You love that dirty curtain?
You wash it every evening and put your fan and make your fan blow you.
Wash it every day, you know that.
You know yourself about this. Me just I tell you one thing. Don't make me smell a madman scent in another place. Cause turn down business that. Listen, Peter, come on, Peter, say you want 10 more thousand dollars.
10 more?
Peter say a jailhouse where I go. And you know me afraid of jail.
10 more thousand?
Me not go to jail.
Much more thousand, Kya?
Me have to give him 10,000 this morning. Cause I guess I know my reputation and my shop, you know. You get up and you walk and you go and you dirty shut and then you come back. And that's it. Eh? You want to make him buy a few uniform.
Peter, alright, man.
Peter?
Anytime we done, anytime I done, I not rush work.
You know rush work? That is it. You see people like you just hustle away. By the way, where bike there?
Bye, brother. A big problem with bike again, my brother. When I say problem, I mean overall. You don't like it, brother, I can't even explain, brother.
So like you tell me say that the dirty bike that was shot me about 8 times because what? The bike that must get a problem, you see bike a current problem.
Brother, I can't have to left for this morning.
You have to left for this morning, I left you. Which one? You have to left you, I left you.
You never let me a road to be truthful, but some sitting where you do me a road, lock off, faster sitting, I can't even tell you, brother.
So in lock off, you start back saying left your road, we are talk about. You
no, it's start back.
Discombobulated hour. How go?
Start back, you see after I tap, something happen, and then it start back. But I can't tell you how, brother.
Alright, so the money I'm pay Peter right now.
Yeah.
Point up.
Boy, I no money now. One on the man, you see, you was the my lady pay me.
Move that, come out of me here. Yo.
Why dog you, brother?
Why you dog me? $10,000.
Listen me now.
Me go buy cash pot. I'm win number 10. See?
So hold on, how you going to say, brother?
For $12,000. See? Me buy for 2 by 1. I'm win it for $12,000. Me go to the coconut shop and go buy 3 folding bread. And then go buy one patty. 3,000 out I use. So me give man $10,000 man come here and talk about me I go to jail. You understand me I say?
You're wrong for give man, because I tell you say don't give man the money when the man check up. Me will deal with him.
So how you fit deal with him and you there? A police man can come here today. You know me for the police and from here vroom.
Peter really care police apart?
Yes! And me now go to jail that me I talk about.
Yo, you see for that? You must wait 2 years for the what not there. How much here?
And me go come back and come go to jail.
You alright, man.
I'm gonna come tell about 2 years. 2 years for what? Give money things.
No, you give a Kimon no money for brother.
Yeah, because
don't give a Kimon no money, brother.
Tell us,
man, don't give me, don't pay me already. I said, Billy, you have to wait. Me never give him. Me tell him 2 weeks, but me must send a word here. Hold for rain and fall or something.
This is
oh, you talk to me. You fear people?
What you mean?
You fear people?
Yeah.
You can't go on fear people.
You fear the people because me know what people can do.
You can't go on.
You think a blood run through the side?
No.
You fear all the arm and the nail we are talking about. Most people what can control your man and nail and do all kind of things. What you
right,
doing?
Man. Where's sandpaper them there?
Where's sandpaper them there? Go buy sandpaper.
Oi. Me a 2 big rollers sitting there. If I grade me buy what they brother.
So what can go on? What can go on?
Every time I buy me sit them brother, you just use them brother.
Face them. The one that you contribute and you buy a little something. Yeah, I will fear money buy. Alright? Me not give you money and you can buy. What you talk about?
So what
yeah. Right now I'm in cash back money. From the win more back. That more back right now.
No, you're lucky, you know.
More back. Me lucky. I look every time.
Material back. Every time I buy my material, it piece up. Yo.
You buy your material them.
You margin for them you buy on so now you use them and build furniture.
But so us you get back your money then. When you contribute to a world.
Like 10,000 what you give? That man there. You know what me want that too.
Alright, so the money we forget 14 and 14 again. 14 and 14 and 30. 14 and 14 and 30. Alright, so the money we forget out of the 14 and 14 there. You know say me not gate. Me not by the gate. Just understand say that one there gone through the gate. Through the door.
Alright, you
abracadabra.
You wanna call your skits out?
Yeah, that
right now we are starting fresh now. You say don't use button on me sit them and buy. Don't use button on me margin board them and buy. A few place still no, but you by any idea. I'm here buy sitting there, brother.
Why you?
I'm here hold up a shop, brother. Come and me look for sitting there, brother.
Hold on. Yo, see that? So your time said this a fear. This a fear. Don't touch it. I'm in my machine. Don't touch it.
Hold on. Me ain't money for buy.
Money for buy what? Eh?
You know what? Yo, you know what? Me have left, you know.
You bet you left.
Yo, me have left, you know. Me have more front of this.
How the boy?
Yo, me need. Yo,
come go here. Come go. Me don't know nobody in my shop. No hospital there, so go here. Come go. Go home, you laugh. Go home.
Brother.
What depend on that?
Not depend where you depend.
You will take a week.
Yo, me I come back to
take a week.
Me I move.
Take a week, you salt.
Me I go build up my own shop.
Yeah, build up my own shop. Take a week, you salt. Let me tell you.
Shop, brother.
Let me tell you that.
I'm not afraid. Feel like I'm afraid? I'm a seller. That madam, I'm a seller. Babes.
Yeah.
Go on.
There, man. Pull the door and come in now.
Yeah, my father, you know.
Where you come from?
Eh? Down the road, man. You know, so we always the funny out there, man. Time, what to say?
You look hot for true.
Tell them, man. Yeah.
Give me a hat. I'll ensure I'm full up here.
Bite argument. Give me a problem, man. You don't say me decide to me sell it.
What? I love your bike so much, beers.
I know say I love it, man, but yo, watch out. I know say I love it, man, but you wanna sell it and make up your money and buy one nice to ride. And I buy a nicer bike. Full time now for we have a car with the AC and all them things like that. That's all. But if I can't make it up, I buy a better bike. Because that a bike where you see out there, so. I don't rate that a bike and that a bike and I rate me. So it broke down for me road to deal with me. And you know too.
Alright then, do what you have to do. So alright.
Yeah.
You look tired and hungry.
Tell a story.
You want something to eat?
Yeah, start out them.
Alright, I'm gonna look out here and come back. Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm bike face, man. I'm gonna sell you an idea, yeah. I'm gonna sell you an idea, man. Yeah, get to me talking. I'm gonna sell you an idea, man. I'm gonna sell you, man. Go for your parcels right now and come back. Get rid of you, man. Get rid of you, idea. Right when I buy you, right when I buy you, that's when I sell you. Yeah. Boss, I buy. Alright. Now I want the price pan in. Now I want the price pan in, bossy. Somebody will buy, yeah, man, I know. Now I want the price pan in. Sail out pan a bike, sail out. Sail out pan a bike, sail out pan a bike, brother. Mean is me want sell her. Problem. Sail out pan a bike. Turn it around now. Sail out pan a bike, sail out. Sail out pan a bike, brother. I sell her, man. Turn it to the road, man. Left it there, now. Sail out pan a bike. Sail out. Sail out pan a bike. Yo, my brother. See it there, man.
How you say I go on with the bike?
Yes, my brother. Everything up and running with the man. Engine, everything good with the man.
What you say I do with it? Sell it?
Yes, brother. Let it go. I don't hold no price for the neither, man. 70 grand, I sell it for
70 grand?
Yes, my brother, man.
So you sell this bike so cheap? What am to it?
I hold a new thing, man. You see it?
What am to it?
Nothing wrong with the money. The money just reach, you know. I say I buy a fat juice, you know.
Alright, yo, you know, say, as somebody give me a money if you go deal with something, but want it still in it. Alright.
Holy brother.
Yeah, man.
Nobody tell us no holy brother. Holy brother, take it from me, go along with the brother. Go on.
Or 65, son.
65.
Alright, 70, yo.
You can't give me 65, man.
Alright.
Because as I said, I now hold it back, you know. The top left, you understand?
Alright, my boss.
Respect me, Jenna. Well, I'm count out this.
Yeah, man. Check him, man. I'm going to tell them say money last.
Right.
As somebody money me forgot
Right.
to
Now that, you want to, you're good to go now.
Alright. So
Good to go, man.
when I get nothing for it,
What that?
like papers, a license,
Oh,
ready?
me didn't get no papers today, you know, but
Alright,
you
that
can,
good.
you can
Yeah,
ice it up.
a good price.
Yeah, man, lice it up, man.
Yeah, you know long one of them.
Yes, brother, a good bike, man. Alright, that's something to buy, you know.
Eh,
And right now, may I tell you, sir, the amount of no, I mean, the amount of, no, I don't know, I mean, say the amount of better things that come out from me, brother, in a life. It's like, go on with it, brother.
Alright.
No, it's.
alright,
No, it's, brother. Go on the road. All the best.
alright.
Why? Why? Thank God. Thank God. Tell that boy. Pinky baby. Pinky baby. The door left open. You know Pinky gone. Oh, Pinky gone. I left the door open. So long with Pinky close them there. I left Pinky really left. I can't stay. Pinky, what you say I can't? What you mean I can't stay? What? Yo.
Look how much time I come over here and come borrow something and I no call on the phone so. And in one little time I take something from you know if you go on some man. I tell you say you soon get it. Look how much I care something from you because sometimes I give you understand you more. Man.
Baby girl.
Hello. Me busy right now, so I soon call you back.
So you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, baby girl. All of them are fake.
Eh?
All of them are fake.
Me can't just.
You know if you want me here, all light are fake.
Eh?
I'm not take but nothing for you. All light are fake, baby girl. Let us look beautiful. Just take care and enjoy yourself.
Alright, thanks. So if you just take your money so?
Yeah man, see you live somewhere set up.
But after me no know you.
No man, that's okay man. Me just see you and just like you. You're just beautiful. It's okay. All light are yours. All of me just work it and get it. All light are yours.
You
Take
sure?
It. Yeah man, me sure man.
And nobody now come kill me for it?
Nobody at all. Not even me. Nah, come take it back for you. Yeah, yours.
Alright, then a Jamaican maybe you know. And I refuse nothing. Yeah, alright.
Take this too. Okay. And this.
You sure?
Yeah man, me sure.
No man. Why camera ready? A prank?
No man, I'm not.
Make sure me not see myself on no TikTok later, you know.
Alright, later here.
Yeah, alright.
Alright.
Nearly fire. So.
Yo, right now I can't buy this bike and I make no money from it, you know. I have to run some bike taxi out, I swear. Yo, my boss. You go up the road. You good? Alright, auntie, you good? Alright. Alright, auntie, big up.
Bike taxi. Auntie. Baby girl. Now go up the road. You good? Alright. Bad boy. Come in now. Come in now. Where you go? Red girl. Come to you. No man, the bike not. Bad boy, what you say I do? Ah, big up yourself. I go up the road.
No, you give me money the other day.
Yeah, I give you money, but I don't know more if you give you now.
No man, know yourself about that. Up on me yard more and go. The bike taxi around.
Yeah man, I buy a taxi and run. Which way exactly I go?
May I go to one place named Namprel, man.
Alright, come on now.
Yeah,
Hold on, man. Hold on.
what happened? What did you
You not
buy?
gonna?
No.
Alright, come on then. Cause it's just have me frustrating.
What mean buy? What make you that on me?
Alright. All days I pass around and someone what me know say I them a place I feel, you know?
Women are right over here, so.
Nice little building, man.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful like you. Alright, thanks.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Alright. Can't believe some get that there girl like whole of my money out of day. How I really go on?
What you? You know this area now? 1 minute back start happening. I wonder if you are. What I got way up to? Hello,
Taxi.
stop there.
Oh go on. Taxi on.
No, see you look nice.
You look beautiful as well, man.
Thank you.
Around the area you come from.
No, I know.
Out of my yard, I go relax a little bit, you know, cause it's rain. I wonder if you want to come in there and just have a little talk.
Well, yeah, I'm a spirit taker. I don't know why I'm a spirit taker, but anything I say.
No, no, man. Me and feel party in like Chucky, you know.
It's okay on the bride.
Right. So you see, you know me, make you just like me so. Talk to me.
Miss Alice.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Just one stout tooth. What they call Damien. Me say around a St. Lift too.
Yeah, man. Right for the bike pass. Around the assembly. Around down there.
Oh, in right past with that lady on the bike.
Yeah, man.
And brown girl.
Yeah, man. Around them there.
Alright, respect for that to them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, you do.
You know, easy, you know.
I don't know, I just like you. From me see you, my spirit just start miss with you. So,
But you're so beautiful as well.
thank you.
So, yeah, you get something to eat already or you want to get something to eat?
Me alright, you know. No, I don't feel peckish or nothing.
Ah, brother. General, go on.
Over there, my father.
Really, I know something I look for a shot, tuku youth. Kind of stout.
Stout.
Yeah, they say I must name one. Me say not too long right past us out farm bike. With brown, slim browning.
I hope there's something right at the blue drum right there, my father.
Right, I like post right at the blue drum.
Blue drum there.
Real man. Respect man, I hear producer and too.
Yeah, man.
Real, I know some tough.
Just
Sing tune to you know.
God know.
Yeah man.
Alright,
Except me have a tune I would want you still no brother, cause I would want you produce it for me you know.
Gotcha.
You want to hear it?
Yeah, me man, we want Lily Dini.
I want to make you put it on tape to you see it. You want to know? I want to yard for taste some buckle. You want to feel the buckle. You know man, say I could ride bicycle. I go on my bed. Him gone in bed. Him gone in bed, non-chuckle. And then me ride from yesterday go, man, devil. Yo, I can ride bike you know. So you say the tune go.
Yeah, you know. Bye.
Alright then. Said I want to go watch TV or something.
Alright then, sure. You're not coming?
Of course.
But I'm thinking here already, man.
Yeah,
You can't date him.
No man, you never hear a tune yet man. I might tune yet man.
Gotcha.
It sound like, alright, you know it is why it sound like, you hear me? Cause choose a hit. You don't sound like say you're out there already.
Oh, okay.
So you see you can put it on a tape for me.
Yeah, man, I can put it on a tape.
So when we can check it.
You have to link me back one of them time, man.
We have call one of them time, because I'm ready and I know. Because a furniture rep me the book more than want a bus and now said there. Because I don't know.
And then a week.
And then a week. So
You have to book up again.
So how you go now? Give me a link for you now.
Yeah, man.
Tell me.
Worry yourself, man. You know where we live, man.
Right, that's all.
Yeah, man, right.
Alright, so me check you back in.
You know if you do right.
Yeah, man. So big up yourself now, producer.
Alright.
Me a go down.
Yeah, man. I hope there's up by Blue Joe.
Yeah, man. Don't answer. Alright, me general. Big up. See?
Well, I better go and do some furniture right now, man.
Sorry.
You know what? I never like you.
Browning, why you behave like that? Not do that, man.
Hey, don't come near me now.
Sorry. Alright, come let you out.
Come you give an uppercut right now.
Sorry.
Walk us up. Bye.
There's a lot doing on my face. What's so bright? Hey girl, I said you set me up on my bike.
Go back on my man yard there. Cause I don't know how me just let that man there. He didn't even look good. He didn't even look like my man. Kevin. Oh, my baby not there.
Yo, what's up? I go and do that again. Just, yo, what, man, feel lumber them more check with.
What make you look like you don't really come for work?
Brother.
Eh? What make you look like you're coming now and you're going like you're fast like a idiot bike there? You know bike though?
Brother.
Bike not done make it up.
Me just tell you, so me just get back your bike, brother.
So what that concern me?
Me did say.
May I get the bike for ride? Eh?
Oh.
So what you mean say you
Brother, just give me a second when I do the bike, brother.
You see this a pencil?
Yeah.
Put in your ears. This when you done that, make sure you up and solve it. Because you have no more thing on your back to deal with.
Alright, just fuck up your board then, man. Not part.
I want to tell you 10 more for them. Yo!
I'm not telling you, brother.
Eh?
I got some stickers and sit and put on for the bike, brother.
Hurry up then, man, and do what you do, man.
You know, see me get back your bike, brother.
But wait, never say take your bike from you. Eh?
No, brother, I say me sell the bike,
Sell
brother.
the bike?
Yes.
So what bike are these now?
Me just, brother, alright, you want to know. You see the bike, yeah? Me go pay back your man feet.
So
right?
Hold on. Take it.
Me go pay back your man feet, bike, brother.
Hold on.
And my arm and leg, me realize that I sell it and then I can't do without it, brother.
No, this is sound like how.
No, I tell you, brother.
No,
So right now, I just put on them pretty something upon it. I just put on them something upon it and change up.
Nah, man, when you sell the cow and hold on upon the tail, that means you don't really sell it.
Oh, that go that.
So how you go?
Eh?
How you go?
Me say, the bike, I
don't want no police come on my place in the boss.
So how that? How police come on my bike?
But you say you sell it.
Me sell it and I tell you, say, me get back your bike, brother, for the man. The man give me back your bike, brother.
How you get it? So
he give me back, I say mechanical problem, and so I take it back and say, I'll give him back your money, brother.
So you give him back your money yet?
No, me soon give him back your money, brother. You understand?
So where that money come from? Where you sell the bike?
That money come from round and sitting there. When I go up Tankill and go up.
Oh,
up the
close by.
Right, and somebody tell me saying.
I'm a bad man.
Somebody tell me saying live up there, I'm going to go find him and reason with him up there.
I'm a bad man.
No man, I'm a bad man. Come here, come do some work now. Where is it now?
I don't feel that man no work and because it's a bike situation. It's confusing you know.
Brother, when I lumber them on, it's up a salt, brother.
Yo, you know, so Jamie says she want her dresser by Thursday. And if you know that.
So she not gonna get it, brother?
Go and do it. Let's go and do it. You see me can't turn on the light because this now. They gonna cut off the light. So you just go and use this saw.
Right.
We not on power saw. So you know where you go.
Right.
Walk. Yeah, man, I come to thief in bike.
Oh, I say there. I say there for your thief in bike.
Okay.
How you gone?
What do you mean when you gone?
Yo, you don't know say this man we have as a thief.
What do you mean thief?
Oh, so no bike king come on me hard contact.
Why you say that now?
What you mean why me say that? Now you sell me bike and thief you back.
That's crime, man. There's no police that come and place up, brother.
Boss it, no police not coming.
You know,
Look
do
here.
that, man.
Look, you find a new bike. A different bike. This. Look one is a sticker up on it. Look on it. Look on it. See your bike up them up on it. See your bike up them up on it. Look on this. See your bike up them up on it. A different bike, this a brother.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
How you talk so you feel like I'm a thief the bike, brother?
I'm not so familiar with you.
Oh, he's not a thief, no bike. You're not a thief.
Look on them.
This is a man, a reputable man.
Look on the sticker up on it. Look here. Look on the pretty stuff. Them man they pump for your bike, brother.
That's true. Any bike does miss it, so I think you could have.
Let me see for your bike, me tell you. Remember I miss a light, you know?
That's true.
I remember I upgrade. And buy the bike with them upon it, brother.
So you sure?
Different bike and buy. No, different bike. Them a make funny, brother. Look on this. Pan a sticker here. A straight of China this a come from. This a sticker. Toyota Terrace.
Oh, so you get back on same bike like a me.
Right, we just upgrade an other one from.
Can you tell me if you?
We not tell us we don't get an upgrade, man. No,
someone. I'm sorry for you.
Right.
There.
Look up yourself, man, brother. If you see it for the place still, we make you know. Alright. Guidance and protection. I tell you, man, it's a boss, man. You are going someone. Man, I'm going to start something.
You just want to know if everything left in.
Everything,
Yeah,
man.
no, the woman want the things to go there.
Yes, sir. Yo, me remember,
Well, crackers and good rice and one thing.
now get one Pepsi.
No, no, be no bar. Set no.
Eh?
Set.
What's up?
Yes, I get a Pepsi, set no.
Alright. Go on, get your Pepsi.
Alright. You don't want nothing. Coffee again, like this.
Yeah, man, I'm ready now, man. No, I don't know Portland, and you have to go the ride. How much hours we go there? 5 hours. Then Mr. Junior say I go drive slow. Alright, me go down the road with the bike and wait for you. Alright. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, man. Me go down the road. Yeah. Ah, boy. Go on, man. Real. Let's see, ready? Oh, you know Portland good though. Alright. Go and do it now, man. Put that flag up.
Yeah.
Get to that, you know?
Yeah, but
Far out one can go.
Yeah.
Alright, just put it on the side then. Can go on the side?
yeah, lean it.
Alright. I'll just
Push your plate more.
you know.
Wait.
Yeah, take up this.
Yeah, laugh it up.
Alright.
Laugh him up.
That's enough. Alright, I'm Portland in a square, me I go. Right now, a square of Portland.
So you come with me.
Yeah, then I Portland, I'll come go.
Alright, sir.
Come on, man.
Alright, sir. Alright. Okay.
Yes, man. Come on. Yeah, man. Up a Portland there, huh? Help me take you out now. One. Portland. Put him on. Hold on. Straight the hand. Yeah, man. You have to press the hand with that. Right. No challenge. Hold on one more time. No challenge. Just hold it clutch. Hold. Shit. Give me. Yeah. Ah. Come on. Man answer no man. Hey. Hold for respecting him. There you go. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. We take down from my tongue, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Take it. Yeah?
Yeah, man. Come here and do me.
Not making work, not doing work.
Yeah, man. Do the right thing, man. Sail out for a biker, sail out, sail out. Say it to Portland people, say it to. Sail out, sail out. Bike from down in the west herself. Say it to people. Auntie and I buy for your nephew. Sail out. Go back, auntie, go on back. Go on out, go on out. Sail out for a biker, sail out, sail out, sail out. Sail out for the machine, sail out, sail out. Sail out for a biker, sail out, sail out. Sail out for a biker, my general. Sail out for a biker, sail out. Portland people, sail out for a biker. General, where you say? You buy the right bike. 80 grand feet, man, advertise it for me. Sail out for a biker, man. Sail out, sail out, sail out, sail out. Get it, get it, get it. Sail out for a biker, people.
General, you say I sell it?
Yes, my general, what go on, man?
Bad man.
Yes, man, clean and sitting, man.
You say no problem.
No problem, brother.
Me no one buy you no problem today.
No, we don't have a problem with it.
Oh, okay. Like I say.
Hold on. Listen, we don't have a problem with general. What you say? What you say? Me I do that transaction and stuff, brother. Wait, talk to me.
How much you sell it for?
80 grand. 80 grand me I sell for.
80 grand?
Yeah.
And he said no problem.
No problem, no problem.
Alright then, you know say, would have to go buy a machine and come back.
Yeah, I got the machine. No problem with the right. That's about make sure so nobody not first you.
No.
Nobody first.
Don't sell it.
It's gone.
Me need it, you know.
You need it.
Yeah man, cause
Run go on and come now. If uncle you buy 80 grand for you, brother. I'm my first time in a Portland, I say, you know. Yeah. So you don't know, we have to bring something special for Portland. Go on and come, General. Oh,
Yeah man.
Hurry up, make sure you hurry up. Yes, how much money that? How much money that? How much money in that? Eh? That can't buy, uncle. That check more next time. That 80,000 feet, brother. That can't buy, uncle. Check the work on next time. I can't want next one come to Portland and come and sell it. See? Yeah man. Sail out for a biker. Sail out. Sail out for a biker. Sail out, uncle, where you say? Nice machine, you know. Yeah man, cool man. Sail out for a biker. Yeah, no star. The better take them for the man.
You know that yet. That's good.
Let her go.
Not still time.
That me I tell him, let her go.
Yeah, General, we reach back, you know.
Wait. Real.
Yeah, man, I'm glad that I'm selling you.
No, never yet, man. Are you me a wait for, man?
Yeah.
You me a wait
So you say I have the papers there, me do?
The papers are that's what I say for 80. Yeah.
But that good stick in my farm, I'm going to have to pay. Go round and go round. They say 70,000.
80, man.
80, my 70, you tell me.
What no, 80 me tell her. I did 90, I'm take it down. I did 90,
No, sir,
take it
sir. I give you 100 because you're loyal, you don't sell.
Real. No, man, I don't sell it, man. You don't know, you know. You me a wait for. You see?
How much that? I need to check your money.
Watch out. No, me the account when you have account, you know.
Oh.
80.
Alright, that's good.
I hear your bike now, my general. See, key night, man.
Alright.
Wish you all the best, you know. Wish you all success and luck.
Yeah, man.
Wish you all the best. Yes, sir.
You can't keep this as still, you know, cause...
Yeah, man. How are you, sir, man?
Alright,
Don't sell already, man. You see it?
Alright.
Yeah, man. So look a bit.
Alright.
All the best, you know, man.
Oh, I can't bring my color load them fine. General!
No. Boy, I'm sorry for you, brother. Oh, God. Get me that bike, brother. Get me that bike. Get me that bike now. Get me that bike now. Babes. No more stress and pain. Babes. No more. Babes. Hold on. No tell me say babes gone again, yo. No, sir, yo, no. Babes gone again, brother. Yo, I shouldn't follow nobody and sell the bike, you know, again, you know. Babes! Oh gosh, brother, no. I can't, hold on. Can't believe I shouldn't listen to, yo. I shouldn't listen to this man and go sell the bike again, you know. Can't believe that. Yo. You know say babes gone again, brother. Pinky gone again, you know.
Hold on. What do you mean, sir, Pink? Well, Pink gone again.
She gone again, brother. Brother, yo, I should go on to Portland and go sell this bike, brother. I have to go back to Portland, brother.
This is so mysterious, but that one thing. You sound like say you got some you have some power, some spiritual power.
Brother, yo, hear me I say, yo. Yo, I so come check you, brother. Yo, I fall come check you. Yo, I come check you, yeah, man. Yo. Can't believe it, no, man. Yo. Wait, I said that.
Yeah, man.
Wow, I tell her, brother. Coach it.
Nah, I don't know up today. Today I don't want day for work, so I'm just there.
Today I don't know what
Watch
day for work, brother. I don't know what day for work today, man.
Can you show me, you know what I mean? Even though me a cuss like a dog, you know, puss and dog and sit me for hear you out.
That mean nothing, brother.
Yeah,
People cuss and they still, yo. How far I come from in my youth?
That's true. Why? But dog only back off a dog, you know? So we always go back off each other at times.
Tell them, man.
So you say I'm going with you know, because I want to hear you out, you know, and you told me what I'm going.
Yeah, thing.
Why fullness?
You know, say, woman, I tell about my book in our day, I say, I settle down now with brother.
So she not going good, man?
I don't know.
Fit you and everything, and you're happy, you clean your teeth at night time and cha.
Well, nah, yeah, hear me out of our brother.
No, but me I say everything we alright, I want.
Yeah, but me I say, the woman gone. Me sell the bike.
What you say?
Me sell the bike.
She gone.
And the woman gone.
That sound good.
The woman gone too. And me sell the bike. So it's like two things were coming in my life. Gone. Fast and quick.
Abracadabra. No, you see it, no, you don't. Alright, what me I say to you still? What you do? Did you do something to make that woman leave, pack up and leave? That's the next thing me ask.
Me and I just live loving, brother. You know.
So, what you think will happen? Like, a woman loving you, you know? So me I say if you know feed her the proper way and she just feed her.
Food always in my kitchen, brother.
Brother, I'll be a tin mackerel on you.
Hello,
I'll be a tin mackerel on you. When you come here and say you not even want to buy bulla. You understand me? I say, I just drink salon you buy. And you are begging piece of bulla at all times. You know, so for your style that some don't know where you have to try to show off. Brother, a long time with the boat, you know. Nobody try to show off and put things where you're not supposed to go. You understand me? I say?
So every day I buy a box food. I'm not broke in half.
You can't buy.
So I talk about fear bulla.
You can't buy box food in half. That's the first thing. That's for sure. Say a lie I tell. You just try to say something to make the whole situation. Talk about your business again about the woman. So let's say go on now.
You not talk about that now. A woman not talk about now, brother. And you see it. The woman gone, brother. That me I say, yo, I'm feel so happy. Say me I go start a family, brother.
So what you say? You do something. Tell me no man. Talk to me. I bridge no man.
I do nothing, brother. I tell you something. I do nothing, brother.
Say just get up on morning. Bike gone, woman gone. That not so like a sorcery. That sound good.
I go deal with that thing, brother, and I go sell the bike, brother.
You deal that thing?
I sell the bike because you tell me, because you said, true, it will give me problem. Take your advice, brother. You understand?
Alright, you may say here. I give you next advice. Go down a road river. Go deep 7 times. Cause salt is salt. Something not go on. Yeah man, go deep 7 times. Something not go on. But you have to know what go on. Cause you know what I mean? I buy one beer and just broke your foot. You cut all crosses. Something of you me give advice here, look for me like.
What do you mean? But not the woman. The woman good to me, virgin. You understand?
And just cut.
I don't understand, brother.
I don't understand, brother, because you are going now. You see, at the end of the day, if a man go through him highs and him have him woman and everything nice, and then right as him hit the leveled era, coming out say low, you know, hit the leveled era of life, and she just cuts up. I can't go to man.
So you blame me lady?
No, I can't go to man.
No, I don't want you go there, sir.
I can't go to man.
Me and the lady never have nothing yet. The lady is a good woman, brother. And a woman, brother. And a woman is fault. I know her, brother.
So if it's a fault?
That's cool, man. Yo.
You know what you don't want to tell me? You do something, man. You do something.
No, man.
You're up to something,
man. But I just know what cause the problem, brother. Something not right, brother.
A long time in the street, sir.
I know what, man.
And if you don't want to tell me where you start the conversation from that first place.
I know what, man. But, brother, no son of a woman has a problem. And a woman has a problem.
And what a problem? No, sir. Sit down. No, sir. Wow. Talk, no, man.
Yo, everything good, man. Like, you know, I do no work today, so, yo, me I go down the road and come back. Everything good, man.
So, you come back. You're not there. Just take it there. I'll tell you, go river, go deep 7 times. Yeah. You feel say you know what going, but this can't be bigger than
a woman, brother. Me know how better, but it's all good, man.
Yeah, by God, the woman, God. Yo, you idiot or something, man. Wake up, the man.
Alright, man.
Eh?
Me come up after cuss, you love cuss, man.
Oh, me some love cuss. Now, but if you now say the right thing, I say foolishness.
Alright,
and you say rubbish your chat.
Yo, you see, yo. Who, man? I'm sorry, I come up here now, man. You can't believe that. Yeah, General, what go on? I see you to your car go Portland, man. I see you to your car go Portland. Yeah, me I say you can't carry me go back to Portland. Do me a beg you. Don't no, man. Alright. Then after I left Portmore, what you say? Take a number 16 bus. Wow, that's too hard there, brother. I know you. Alright, let me try a thing. Because I have to catch a Portland. I have to reach a Portland. No. I can't wait till Thursday. Today. Alright, me I'll do that. I know, star. Oh, God. Driver, where you go? Why, man? Tell us, star. Portland side married, but I got stop first. Don't know, star. Taxi! Don't know, star. Taxi! I have to catch a Portland and now. Taxi!
Where are they, lady?
Wait, where I go, my boss?
There, man. There, now you sell me bike, man.
I miss you, man.
Wait. Myself, man.
Wait, so you get a machine, man?
Yeah, man. I get a little movement, man. A taxi me around, you know.
Taxi?
Yeah, man.
Oh, yes, man. Then I right, tell me forward.
Yeah, man. Why pray?
Yeah, you know, say Portland side marriage.
In Portland?
Yeah, man.
In idea?
In idea, yeah.
You know that farm in general, you know much what I drive in that?
No, say far, man, but I don't know. I'm not really too far. Jamaica, where they still, you know. Westmoreland, this part,
only for hours.
Still in Jamaica.
Right.
So, How much you go up there? Just talk to me, money I spend, you know. A taxi I run, money I spend.
Me nah kill you, you know. Just give me 130 G.
30?
A whole heap of hours after driving that in my general.
No, man, I don't have too much, brother. Take off something for that, man, and so I can go on, man. Because time I go, you know, I have to reach up there. It's urgent.
Alright, can you kill me when you sell me?
No, I mean never
Give me 25.
25?
Yeah.
25. Alright, yeah, man. Where's it?
Alright, because we have to step in night, because night a come.
Alright, night, alright, yeah. Go on, I tell you, man. Oh, little problem, man.
Yeah, man. I tell you, Portland a good place, and I'm general.
Tell you, man. Go on, go on. This side. Yeah, man, let's say good old Portland this.
Yeah, man.
Real.
Portland here forward, man.
Real. That little business become deal in my town, you know?
Alright, my general.
But nice, you know?
Pick up yourself, man, here.
So you wanna, me find my way to go back down, you know?
If anything you shout me, because Nigel may head down now.
Nigel side, alright.
Alright.
One up, man, shout you, man. Me find my way to come back down, because I know the place good, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, man. So, after that.
Yeah, man.
The money not short.
No, man, the money good, man.
Alright, here one now. Take your time and rate down safe, you know.
Alright, my general.
Alright, my general. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
He didn't let me be around here. Yeah. There, man, I go on.
I just Scully.
Yeah.
I go on.
Yo, man, there, what I go on say?
There, bro. Think good.
It's a whole bike up, man. I say ugly, man. No,
Just buy my bike.
This a bike, man? No, man. This a bike and I make it, my lord.
You can't say that, Scully.
No, man, it's a bike and already, my lord. For my bike can't turn to my lord. It's a bike and fit for you road. Yeah, man, it's a bike no fit for you road, man. It's a bike no good. It's a bike if you got garbage heap, man. I want to you, man.
No, man, I just buy my bike, Scully.
This a bike.
Me just buy the bike.
It's a bike and no good bike, my lord. It's a bike and already, my lord. It's a bike and no good. I can't carry people upon this. It's a bike got garbage heap, man. You can't spend the money upon this, man. I'm mad, man.
Yeah.
Look on my bike.
Scully. A good bike. Me I tell him I just buy it, man. Tell me say nothing wrong with it.
Every thing you want. You that bike no good, man.
Scully, I want to you. Oh, the big thumb, they just lick you so. And I mean, nobody say I mean, go on, you know. Yeah, uncle, where's the one?
I want to go and read down on the road. On the bike a shop, man.
Uncle, you bike now shock. Where you talk about?
Bike a shop, man.
Oh, you not shock me?
Not even bother go down on the road, you know.
Yeah, it's alright, uncle. You're alright, you know, uncle. Hello, young miss. I look here, you know, I just want to get some money. Here, big up yourself.
Como é que Mário?
I tell us I beach over here, so and so, you know.
Yeah, me I see it. Get some fresh air there.
I'm for sure.
Yeah, more look round.
Yeah, man, so when you're ready to go to the beach, you have over stuff can go, you know?
Why babes, the place nice though. I saw Portland is nice.
Yeah, babes, I hear me come from. I know some place nice. So that's why I make sure you're there, you know?
Well, me nobody want left here.
Yeah, so babes, you not feel left here.
That's so too nice.
So you did get something to eat?
No, you know, so me feel hungry though.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Alright, what you know, we'll go to Burger King. Then we left from Burger King and just go home.
Alright.
Alright, that sound good?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on, you know?
Hold on, man. Watch it, Rasta.
No, sir. On the bike there. On the bike gone. Jesus. General, you see one bike when there, so? Jesus Christ. What is?
Listen, you know what? Me nah bother feel like energy. Me nah bother want you.
What?
Me nah bother want you.
My bike gone. No, you are gone.
Can't do things them. Me nah bother want you.
Christ, my bike gone.
General! Why? Wonder where the road I lead to. Cause yo, this is Portland sitting here and get to you. General! The road there. Can't lead back round this and come round.
Yeah, my father, all clear, man.
Alright, that's enough. Respect, brother.
Fully active.
And niggle me are going up, but I can't. I remember my way, brother. How that? I think
you buy a wood at a one and only.
Come in now, babes. Where did they? Where did they?
I'm going on the road.
Eh?
I'm going on the road.
Go on the road. Which part on the road did they?
Portland.
What? Port where?
Land. So where you going so far?
Hold on. Where you still a while?
Mr. Maga Portland. So me know my own big man. Where they going so far?
What you do a Portland, Pinky? You nearly kill me, you nearly stress me out. Not even walk me can go, Pinky.
What your problem? Kevin, what is your problem?
No problem.
So why you ask me what me I do a Portland? Why me go to Portland? What is the problem?
Alright, you are. Me not ask that again, sorry. Me know why you're there Portland, but it's alright. Me know why you're there Portland. But me just glad to see you come back. Right? You don't have to explain nothing. I love you seeing you. Yeah, baby? You are. Now go down in the town. You get something for cook and come back, yeah?
Alright.
Welcome back home. Jesus, please. Why?
Welcome back home.
No, sir. Yes, Father God, thank you for another day. Woman come back home now. What another journey. Work to do, Father God, the work, you know. Yeah, baby girl. You know. I run go out on the road to do some stuff now. Yeah. So me left your money so you just buy this in the supermarket there.
Alright.
I just get everything what you need for dinner. Buy yourself something, yeah?
Put more money.
Oh yeah, go on son. So every money when I have enough for you. You don't matter if me want to have it or you want to have it. Eh?
Thanks.
So you're not glad so we buy TV now? Okay.
I'm fun because mosquito would have killed me.
You know why me get there something here? I don't want you to leave from out here again. More you're comfortable. You understand? Alright. Cause Portland far, you know. And you're so far, me have to come for you. Even though I never literally come for you, but me know what I go on, man. Don't worry yourself. You talk about you feel like come back. But me know what I go on, man. You don't know what I go on. But anyway,
What is one?
How me look?
I look alright.
You so know what I go on, man. You know what I go on. Anyway, now touch the road. Now hug now.
Later.
Yeah, man. You have everything now for your comfort. Turn on the fan now, man. Later, yeah?
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Carry back some for me.
Alright, my baby. Anything, what you want? KFC?
Yeah.
Anything for you? Yeah. Thank you, Father. I got another day. Yeah. Wait, what go on higher?
What go on, man?
There, man.
Really, pan?
You know, so from what I say more safe for race with you.
Yeah.
Because boy, I may tell you say some things that go on with my brother, man. From me buy the bike, yeah. I don't want think certain way. You know, I don't want med certain way, but before I buy the bike, yeah, brother, so much weird things never used to happen to me, brother. And I say some things happen to me, brother, well, boy. Unless I try to sell the bike, I still have to go back to it. Because I sell the bike, and when I come on my yard, I see my woman. You understand?
Rough.
So what really go on? I don't know. I just feel like accept because nothing must. You know what? I don't believe in certain things, you know.
Yeah.
I don't want to put certain things to you like say you believe in nothing, but why? I don't know.
But you know say it a give me problem too, that's why I sell it. You know say I got obey woman. I got auntie. You know auntie?
Auntie?
Obey woman, man. The spiritual woman.
You got that woman there too?
Yeah, wait now, I go link her because I have a couple problems. You see me, nah, no money on my block, so I go link her.
Yeah.
She give me this here where you sit on the front.
What up?
This is sticker, man, and she give me this here.
And she get this?
Yeah, she give me get that from. I should probably say if I go again.
Everybody knows when they come in a me yard. Hey, you must bring money to me else the work can't get done. Me need money, me need money. If you want your work to done, you need to give me money. Ancestors, I can see that somebody's coming on a bike to me. Tell me what to tell him before you reach here. He's coming with a bike. Yes, my ancestors, I trust you and I believe in you. I know that anything you tell me to do, when I tell it to them, it work and it shall work. So shall it be in the beginning. So shall it be in the end. Let him come. Yes. If you're coming at me yard, hey, and you no got no money. If you're coming at me yard, hey, and you can't pay your bill, please turn back.
He say sign and say girls gone white. Oh, see it there. So that means say I don't. Okay. Auntie, me can't come.
Come, young man. I know you was coming. And do not look behind you. Come straight along. You hear me say not to look behind you. Don't look behind you. Come straight along. Stop right there. Take off your slippers. Come over here on the carpet. Wipe your feet properly. Stand up. Turn around 3 times. You look like you can't count, man. Look at me. Don't blink. Don't squint your eyes. You break the rules already. Let me see in your hand. Who sent you come here?
You know, say my friend Bolo, auntie.
Who? Bolo?
Bolo.
Bolo?
Yeah.
Bolo from, let me see. I have to look in my crystal balls, you know, because you see, I have 3 crystal balls up there with my ancestors. And when I look in it, I can see where you guys coming from. How are they saying come from? Lord have mercy. Hold on. Bolo from Rona Lucifer Corner.
Yeah, auntie.
Really? Do it here.
Every time.
Yeah, oi. I know me send you up there, no.
No problem, man.
Alright, big up yourself here. Yeah.
So a plan, you and Bolo plan?
No, auntie, me and Bolo different. Me and Bolo are the same thing.
Cause Bolo owe me $1 million, you know. About 3 here now, you know. And me take my work serious. So if you know say you come to get a job done and you not have your money, no come in a me yard.
No man, me and Bolo different.
Pin your roll and go straight back through the gate.
Me and Bolo different, man.
You have your money?
Yeah, me have my money.
Okay. What you want to get done? A matter of fact, I can see that you come here about woman. What you want me to do about woman?
Alright, auntie, so yeah, I broke here now, I no work, I want some money. So when I go on the road, be a woman to me and just give me money and just give me money, so and woman have no problem with it. I want she just stay with me no matter what. All when I get money from woman, I just know she have no problem with it. That's all I want.
Let me see your hand. Put me on. Turn on the back. Let me see the next one. Rub them together. Spin around 3 times. Alright. Look like you can't court, boy. Anyway. You want me to make your woman stay with you.
Yeah.
And make you get whole heap of money.
Yeah, auntie.
From the same woman there from any woman.
Any woman.
Any woman. You want me to make you get money from every woman and any woman.
Yeah.
And then if you stay with you.
My woman to stay with me.
Your personal woman you want to stay with you.
Yes.
Oh, but you want to get money from the other rest of woman them, but you don't want them. You just want few woman to stay with you. Alright? Count from 1 to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, ancestors, where are you? I can see you from afar. It's a distance. It is a distance between me and this social communication right now. Anyway, we are having a conversation. And it is a distance between me, you, and my ancestors. They are listening to you. They also can see you, but you cannot see them. What me say they can do? They can't see you, but you cannot see them. You can't see them. Count from 1 to 3. 4 times.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Alright. Turn your back. Stretch out your foot in front of you. One of them. Stretch out your foot in front of you. Look at me. Move forward and go straight out there so until I call you back. Don't look back. Don't look back. Stubborn. Ancestors from the east. Ancestors from the west. I'm calling on you, ancestors from the north. I need you to come and visit me right now, ancestors from the west, east, west, north, and south. Right now. Power. 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 Listen to me now. I know you're all here. This young man, him come to me like me fool. Him and Bolo a friend with whom me money, which uno know already. Over 3 years, $1 million. Every time he con me and give me different pill to take. So I'm sending friend now, cause he feels same friend can come con me the same. First of all, the boy tell me say he have money just now. Then him say him not work. And he want work to get done. Want me, mother, auntie, mother, the baddest mother woman in Negril. Me, then call auntie. Want me to make him get money from every woman. And he want the one way in love and live with must stay with him. And no other man no forget her, only him. What can go so? My ancestors, I need you to do justice right now. Because we are going to turn it around. He wanted me to make every woman give him money. Nothing can go so. As from now on, as the sun is shining from the east, west, north, and south, my ancestors, him happy give every woman money as from today. And the woman who him have. He's going to get in a big trouble with that woman all the time. My ancestors, I'm listening to you and I'm going to do whatever you said. Yes. Okay. Yes. No problem. Here it is. This is it. How many times? 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, my ancestors, make the woman love the bike more than him and make him give woman money instead. So I've said, so shall it be. Trouble for the rest of his life. Trouble for the rest of his miserable life. Young man, come now.
Alright, me and come auntie.
Come along. Come over here. Stand on my carpet. Wipe your feet. Good. Look at me. Look to the east. Look to my ancestors. Say, anything you say, it is done. Say that.
Anything you say, it is done.
And it must done.
And it must done.
It shall done.
It shall done.
And it going to be done.
And it going to be done.
Half it done.
Half it done.
Must done.
Must done.
Anything we say, I saw it ago.
Anything you say, I say it again.
That's right. Turn around. Right round. Spin around. Okay. You're going to carry this in your left hand. Don't put it in your right hand. Don't make your right hand touch it. Put it in your left hand and stick it on your bike. You hear me?
Yeah. Auntie.
Okay. Hold that. You will get what you need and what you receive. You shall receive it. Look at me. Turn around. Don't want it to go in your eye. Alright. Look at me. How much? My ancestors. How much? Okay. You have to give me $10,000.
So much, auntie?
Yes, 10,000.
A 9, but a 9 me have.
Huh?
A 9 me have, auntie.
9 what?
9,000.
See it? Same thing? You and Bolo are the same kind of somebody.
But auntie, you know what I'm saying?
Shut up! Birds of a feather flock together. The two are the same thing. One of a kind. That's why Bolo said you come to me. No problem. No problem, oh. No problem. Open up your hand before you give me the money. Put the money over there. Open up your hand. Look at my hand. My ancestors. Sign it. Seal it and deliver it. Right now. Hold up your hand to my ancestors. Turn it to the east. Turn it back to me. Blow in your hand. Give me the money. Remember, stick that on your bike. Go ahead. Oh! If you don't have no money, $9,000. Can you imagine? You must give me 10,000. You give me 9. You and Bolo are the same thing? Okay. Go ahead. When you go down, look for Bolo. Tell him say, remember everything and every dollar, every cent when you owe me. No problem. Go on your bike.
Check out 100 US stand.
Yeah.
And 200 Jamaican pounds.
Yeah, man. I'm not telling anything, man. Come on, man. Take it now, man. Everything, man. Go on and road, man.
Manners are respected.
Manners.
Take up yourself, general.
Yeah.
Glad myself this a bike, you know. Oh, I go check babes, you know. Jesus Christ, babes, again.
Why you come in look so excited?
Why? So why you have bag on the bed? Why you
About babes. Why your babes?
Me sell the car.
Why your babes?
Eh?
Why your babes?
Now you want me babes?
I might take me and I'll lick in your face with the about babes.
Why you keep up bag?
I left me, nobody like you.
What do you mean nobody like me?
Get lost.
And she put the way she had the Twitter and give me. And I put it on the bike.
Eh?
Yeah, because she said they're gonna help me with all of my money problems.
So you get this, sir?
Yeah.
So it's gonna help you?
Yeah, with when me did
with all of your money problem them?
Yeah.
That lady there still, I kinda know that, I don't really know her still, but I kinda hear about her one way, but that's nothing, man.
Yeah, man, do it, man. Come
Pick up yourself, man, you see it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's not my father, man. You know, start. Man, I go check on it too. Ah, brother. Bye.
Right here, sir. Right here, sir.
What, mommy?
Wanna go on afternoon?
Afternoon then. 5 minutes gas tonight now.
You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Which one of them? 8 or 9?
Me 87 right now. 5 bills.
Okay. I'm telling your face looks so.
You know, some day I go through some little stress, but I'm good enough.
But I struggle for you whole way, don't
Tell them there, man.
Good, man.
Oh, yeah, so, man, everything good, man.
That's
So
part of
right?
life. Why me there? I want to go me yard. But I don't know if I have to work, no?
Real, man. I go down on the road and go sort out something, you know?
I eat, man.
Yeah, man. Real. Take it out of this.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Alright. Take care. You good?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
You sure?
Yeah. Hold on there. What about this, man? You have to give me no change, yeah?
Alright. No, sir.
Hold on, pan this, sir.
Thanks. I'm lucky day, man.
Hold on, no. Seal back to yeah? Everything for you, yeah?
Me Jesus.
Yeah, man. So big up yourself. Everything alright, man.
You sure you're good?
You sure, man?
You sure you can manage?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's a fear. That's a chair beautiful. That's a fear, yeah?
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's fine, yeah. One little stickers can't do nothing, man. I can't that. I know that, man. Baby girl.
Damn.
What happened now? Wait, dinner smell good though. What happened?
Don't come back so fast.
See, you know, some little thing up on my mind. Whole part thing up on my mind, man. I don't know what part thing we have about that deal, see, so. I will need a little rest, you know. I remember me at my yard, so I have to come on my yard, right? Show some other food for me, please. Get some other food there. Show some of my food for me, I soon come there.
Alright, babes.
I'm not that sticker there. No choice. This now right here. know. Hey! Ah! You're ugly! Babes! 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 You sure to dinner, right?
Share out which dinner?
The dinner.
Me no love you again, you know.
You know what?
And a matter of fact too, go and go share to own a dinner. Remove yourself.
What do you mean say go and go share my own dinner, B? Where that come from, B?
Me no like you again. Why you not understanding of that?
You don't feel like me again. I just say you love me.
It mean the same thing. Me no like you and me no love you again.
Oh! All of a sudden now?
Right
1
now.
second, a while ago, 1 second?
Pack up.
Alright, hold on. Let me see who come. Hold on. Give me a second. Let me see who come. Yo. Yo.
Come to the crosses, yeah.
I like that, you know. It's strange, man.
Must say I'm mad.
It's strange, brother. What never really this, man? Cause the woman not in love me again. The woman not even love me again. Hold on. Hold on, man. I put on the back. Wait now. I put on the back, man. Jesus. Alright, see you there. So you do want turn back so then. Jesus. Alright, calm seat. Second seat. Alright. Jeez. No, sir. When we go buy this, I buy it for. No, sir. Hold on. No, sir. We don't feel your face, sir. We don't feel your suffer, sir. No, sir. Woman gone now.
Babe!
In a shop. Eh?
Are you that?
I'm me.
Oh. Are you that?
I'm me, man.
Come me tulips.
Some name back tulips now. Say now, man, I left.
No.
You still love me?
Of course me love you.
You serious?
Me don't know what get over me a while ago.
Oh, yeah, alright. You alright? You sure?
Yeah. But yeah, me not no fever, me temperature alright, or what? What you?
Eh? You say you love me same way?
Me love you. Where you want me to tell you?
Alright then. Me see who come back. Me go get a drink for you, yeah? So come back.
Yes, me already have one.
Oh, I'm confused a little bit. Me see who come back though, yeah? Me go down the road. No, sir. Me soon come here. Go and watch TV. Oh God, sit me right. I wonder if I have to go check my panty, man. No, sir. No, sir.
So me dead or answer, man. What this?
No, sir. Sorry, man. Alright, cheese now. Easy now. Cheese. Pencil I want sharp, but me deal with it on the road later, yeah? Yeah. Hello? Where you say I go on now? What pass up me I come in now? What you say? Yeah man, I can't deal with you now man. You have the whole line money because I remember say the man round that way you know. No, waste of time, man. I forward right away, man. See? Well, man, I forward and see morning just a break, man. It's, even though the sun so warm. So not, man, I walk this morning. I not ride the bike, man. See? Yeah, I left the bike. Yeah, man, I forward, man. Nah, I travel upon you this morning, you know. You could have deal. Although you deal. Alright. Alright now man, but me I walk same way. Alright now. Alright man. Boy, where this arena come from so sudden man, this arena just come down sudden so brother. Yo, Hilbert! Boy, I want to see the rain just come down so brother.
You see rain fall, yo, look how long you wait for you, brother.
The rain hold me up down and take down and sit there so brother.
Are you making rain come down right now?
Oh, if you make rain come down, father.
So how long you could have gone long time, you know?
Brother, rain so top, man. Just give me money, man.
Yo.
Give me money, man. Because man up, I saw me up, so I wait, you know.
So how you gonna? How you walking and bump on that rain? Where bike you say?
The bike, you see the bike, you know, it get too much problem, brother. I left that, you know. Give me 10,000 a man. I'm going to do this, no, man.
I mean, tell you to be, boy, they come like a joke business.
How much I see that tree, them I say I want now?
Alright. Just make sure you say,
yeah.
Count the money.
Then I hit me a do, man. How do you, man? Then I hit me a do, man. Sure.
Count the money, man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,000.
You sure it's 11 that, right?
10 this one.
Alright. So guess so now, just go get the number them and forward.
You want to go on?
But I'm not going to do the forward though.
So, how you do? Road you go? I never see you just upset, you know.
So what?
Like money run, man.
You think me a verse in that place? You probably let me a verse. Don't talk me down.
You want that gone, so money run. So give me a thing now. Give me something, man.
Well, feel when you just have been gone. It won't take me tight. You remember? We don't forget to know.
Yeah, money, man.
I remember say the 12,000
man. Show your money now. Them time you go look for man.
Don't remember me.
Oh, yourself, man. Yo, when I broke, I forgot look for you, man, too.
Hey, I will man no play. Make time with
no,
boy.
No, but you accept her when you broke, too.
No, she good, man.
Not only when you get. Because see, they want that gone and all of a sudden you dress up. But anyway, me I go up there.
Make sure you go forward. Yeah.
I'm forward. Boy, sorry, I'm not make it up me now. I have to get the lumber them to make the dresser and sitting on few things. So I'm so forward.
Yeah, but as me say,
yeah.
You now come and come see me.
Yeah.
You understand? I've been telling you already current gone, so you have to do it.
So
normal do it. Yes,
yeah.
I'm not pay no current bills a month here. Next month.
I'm so forward, you know.
Matter of fact, yo.
Yeah.
I got there so I wait because I know everything already. I'm tell you say the current gone.
Yeah.
So you have to do what you have to do, but you know, me I wait. Get the receipt. Collect the receipt.
Right.
You hear me say sir?
The rain now burn off, man. So now quick move, man. I'm so forward. The rain soon burn off. Yeah, hurry up.
Yeah. And you can buy 200 flex card for me.
Alright.
I want 200 flow.
Alright.
So 206. Yeah. When I come? I'm here to do someone.
I look like you lock up a place, a star. Lock up a place, star. Studio man, for all go there with some money, you know. Studio man, for go buy all this money right now. Yeah, voice man, for go buy a tune with all this money. Man, not there. You don't want to make no money. You don't want to make no money, man. I got a studio. Every day a furniture work. Artist life man fi live out. My voice a tune and I mean it. Me gonna me ride for years ago, man. I have to remember the tune, you know, because now when a producer you to feel like say, yes it. Gone bed fee. Yo, producer. Producer.
No, I hear St. Live down up the road in our White House.
Excuse me, auntie. What you say?
I hear St. Live up the road in our White House.
So you tell me say you St. Live. Producer, leave me and waste it. Alright, big up yourself. Now go down there, yeah?
Alright.
The big 2-floor White House and so?
Yeah.
Alright. Nine bed fee, none chuckle. Yo, producer. Yo, my God. Voice become for voice, you know, man.
Just push the gate on forward, man. You know the ball game go.
Alright, my general. Respect.
Yes, I studio for God, man.
Oh, God, man.
Yeah.
Yes, nice one.
Yeah, respect, man. Respect.
Real, man. Yeah. So it's not going now.
Yeah, you
talk to me now, man. I don't know, you know.
Yeah, I 3 grand for vice, you know.
3 grand for vice?
Just for vice.
Yeah? 3 grand for vice. So that cover everything?
No, man, that don't cover everything, man. When the song done, you have to go charge you.
Oh, yeah, so man.
Yeah, man, go easy, pan. You know you go.
Oh, yeah, man, everything
take
good,
your
man.
time, man.
Alright,
Yeah.
alright. So
you are with him?
I don't with him, boss. What you say?
You know, it's studio business, you have to have weed and then look at things.
Weed?
Yeah, man.
No weed.
Weed get a different vibe and then look at it just come, so.
So I can get some, yo, weed. Well, next time I can weed, man.
Alright then, fine, I can
That's
do
it.
that. So what you know?
Yeah.
Let me hear your song, man.
Alright, you want to?
Hold on. You can read him?
No, I'm not read him.
Alright. Let me hear one look part of the song. Fresh one, man.
Remember me make it like
yeah, that's why more your fresh one.
I have to go to some buckle. They want to fit the buckle rock. In Ghana, I'm dead feet and tackle. They want to fit the buckle.
Alright. You cheer with him and more, you pick funny.
See.
You pick funny and cheer.
Alright, sir.
I make me know which one you like, which one fit.
Yeah, man. So,
alright.
So put on this first or listen.
No, man, put on it, man. You can't listen for us.
I can catch you all that like so then.
Yes.
Like a top man, my boss one.
Georgia.
Let me see that. Down one yard, we got these some buckle. One for the buckle rocker. Go on and bet. Yo, I'm not like that one there. Next to you.
The one in the hot at
the one in the hot.
Try that one there.
Watch out now. Grandma, ya got teeth.
No one they care about, man. No one they care about.
That's souls, brother. What? I want to say that. What's up, grandma? Ya got teeth some buckle. You want to fit the buckle. Yo, this one. This one.
Alright.
Yeah, man, load up that one there.
Alright.
Load up that one and I Pro Tools, brother. Load up that one there, my general.
No, go there now.
Real. Load up that one there, because you don't know, you know. Yeah, man, they're in the act, you know. How that one in here? That one the act, man.
You know, see, that one there.
Sound good. Watch out. Yeah, man. Everything's on. Okay, rock. I rock. You know, it's alright with him. Yo.
No, that vibe, buddy.
Yeah, man. Down on dead feet, don't check it. I wanna feel. Yo, tell me already, you know. You don't know, you know. You Shelly, you know. Because road we are send that one there, you know. You know. Take off some boy off the scene and show them so we are on the scene, that's it. Oh gosh, now. They really must see it too. Tell me already, you know. Tell me already, you know.
Alright, you ready?
Hold on there. What tune go again?
Yeah, ready now.
No, hold on, time out. Let me see better. One more time.
Ready?
Run. Why ya to got some buckle? You wanna see the buckle, yeah, the buckle rocker. In Ghana and dead feet, no tackle. I love you think to me good ride bicycle. You ride by a sago, man, run, got the man having gun. Gun, Mr. The girl them call me sweet bun. The girl them love me so much. Everywhere they see me, they want up me up. Me say, me say, tell me what I know. Gawa ya to got some buckle. You wanna see buckle, yeah, the buckle. Ghana and dead feet, not that Gawa ya to very good. This have me run. Got the man having gun. Yo, where's the now, General? Chop it there, sir.
Yeah.
Chop it there, sir, my General.
Tough. Bad.
Tough.
Bad, brother.
Tough, man. Let me hear that. Yeah, man.
Play back me here now, man. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Kata kau saya gawa ya tinggal di sana makan. Yang mana boleh pakai ya dipakai lah. Gawa repi, non cakap. Alam keting sampai kau dah baik cek.
Yo, producer, don't play me.
Gawa.
Yo, we are myself. That's my part, man. Big up yourself, my general. Yeah. Finally, boy, see hit now, yo. Gawa ya, suka tisan bakal. Yo, na fili bakal. Yeah. Bossa na yo. Boy, rain down as someone, no rain up, so. Why you deal it now? Boy,
You think about that front?
no man, nothing for that. The one man, you see one man, me there call him, but me need to get through to him. But I really that a problem, you know.
No problem.
The problem is,
The receipt, the first thing. Give me receipt.
hold on, man, when you reach a receipt, man. The problem is, the money kind of lost one way. The money kind of lost one way, because so I don't know, when I go down so, I'm going to check my pocket. Yes, when we reach up a Maggy shop, I go in there, and I buy like one water, and I dip it in my pocket, so. It's like, when we come so, I go back out the door, so.
So yeah.
Well, no. They say I go back out the door, so. You don't know if I slip the money slip or somebody pick my pocket or what. But the money gone, better whole like 10,000. Whole like 10,000, that's me feel like with a machines for the face. Fake better.
I don't feel for users. I'm bossing right now. We are talking about $10,000. Eh? We are talking about 10. Yo, give me 10,000. Give me 10,000.
Listen to me now.
Find me $10,000.
Go back your money, cause listen now. Listen now.
Christ, man. It's not coming like a
Hold on, brother.
I walk this up and for turn. No, true.
Walk
This
this
every
up.
turn me a boo. Walk this, not true.
I got boss in a music. Well, me I tell you that.
Jesus Christ, no man. I really eat it, sir.
Look
Idiot.
Look at no,
Man, idiot.
man, man. Listen to me now. Me's an artist, you know, brother.
Which artist?
You know, so me I do music now.
Music when?
Me start the music now, brother.
Gentleman.
And you know,
Gentleman.
song I got boss one idea them. Listen to me now, me I go give back a 10,000 and put out something on it to my boss. A J Tsunami, my name.
J Tsunami.
Artist name that.
Graphist name that, but J Tsunami. J Tsunami. That is it.
Man, I believe in them.
Believe in over thing. You already lost me 10,000 believe in your
Can't
thing.
be saying I believe in them.
How if you believe that somebody want to believe in themselves for just simply go down the road and buy the damn lumber them. Get back and say we can make a sure money. That come talk about things what might, possibilities. I want you, man.
Brother, I'm tell you say money last.
You look ahead when you asleep when I sitting.
Brother, I say I go in the shop and I buy one water. And I go so can't find the money. No way money not there, brother. But me tell you say I give back your money because different thing I pre now. You see all furniture work. A Lego me start me soon Lego it.
I Lego it today.
A boss eh?
No, Lego it today.
Why?
Lego it today. Cause right now
But me no boss it, me no
you know
boss
boss it. Just Lego it. Just Lego.
What you try to? You run me for the
Me
place.
not ready for the place again. Me I say give place a walk. Cause you salt. Go Jordan River go dip 7 times.
Alright man, hold yourself.
And if you go down 8 you know so nobody come up.
Hold yourself.
You can't count.
Remember me tell you now. Me say, look out for my name out the road.
When we go there now,
Yes, the furniture, brother. Cause right now every day we are the furniture. You can't reach. You can't reach off a furniture.
Yes.
Eh?
Look, how you think me pay for the machine?
You can't reach.
How you
It's
think
a
about the
machine.
machine?
Remember some million the money.
No. Don't do
And
that.
sit there.
Don't do
The
that.
money where you make up for the whatnot now. You gotta give woman it now. And sit there. You don't have no more money.
Yo, go on here. My finger busted.
You hear that, man?
Look, it's a plan for tell me that can't wait. The man come back here, sir.
Oh, yourself,
That's
man.
why your voice. And that me I tell you. And that's me 10,000.
what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't
Why,
wait.
Irene, it's a mash of everything, star. What is
A first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine,
Yeah, remember she go on this big bar station. Can't even build a positive vibe, eh? Can't build a vibe with them.
Just music,
I'm going to now. I'm going to tell you better, son.
This is yours truly, DJ
What's it gonna spell up?
Right now I'm about to play a brand new artist by the name of Jay Tsunami. Song is going on well in Europe, USA, Canada, all over the world. This song is a big world-renowned hit right now on the scene.
I want it, but
here we go.
Run, 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 run,
What?
run, 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 run,
no, stop the phone,
run, run,
pull up this
But I know that guy who I had forgot his buckle. You wanna feel the buckle, yeah, the buckle, the buckle. And I made feet.
Hey, DJ, stop, pull up a tune, man. Play tune, man. Me get them ready, man, I say, man. So, sometimes, man, I pull up a tune and talk too much.
This one is
Get
going
chat
on
too much,
well.
make a man show.
This
I'm a
one is
friend.
taking over the
Tune
world right
play.
now.
Yeah.
You wanna feel the buckle, yeah, the buckle, rocker.
A long time to see him still.
Every day.
We tell you long, that fool should start play again. I tell you. Believe in him, you know.
Watch out, boss, in a music. Right, now tell her that.
That's right, no, man. I really eat it, sir.
Look at that. Look at, no.
Media.
This is an artist, no, brother.
Which artist? What phone? What phone? But much more good on can't get for call Cinti. Cinti don't think so I call him off and can't give me money. It a ring to Bombard. I can see him somebody out. Yo! I'm so excited right now. If you tell you about, hey.
Wait.
Let's answer.
I'm there, man. I drink up some energy, you see it?
No, that me, brother, me say right now, that me for beat and I vibe me feel, brother, me I tell you God the truth.
Real, man.
Yo.
Tell us anything or shot, man.
No, listen me I say. Me believe in you, brother. Me a dep on the work right now, me a listen to radio. And for some reason, Jah just said to me, say, change the station, because I never change the station more than a year, you know, brother. I just say anything said. I'm going to change the station, I hear a song I play, me I say, boy, yo, tears of joy, brother, and I tell you.
I tell you, tune I'm going to go down in Europe.
Me I tell you, man, you must go on, Yo, so where you there now? Which part are you there now?
It's a BMW, me just pay down and I say, boy, me even drive it, me just come check here now. Me come check here now.
You come with me?
Yeah, man, me come check you up at the shop there, man.
Boom! Yo, found.
No mud now, because I don't know, my crash. You see me?
No, man.
Me come check here now up there, see?
Yeah, right away. Look where in a fall still. Look where in a fall still.
Rain and fall from last month, brother.
Yeah, man, but you what you do? We have water, can't wash our boot for nothing, man. You're swollen, man.
So far, me so come check you.
Yeah, my brother.
Yeah.
Jesus. Alright. No, sir. You feel like walking out there, because I tell you, say, I'm excited. What can go so, eh? Believe in the people. Yeah, man.
Don't want to have some mud up on my shoes over here, saying. Yo! Oh, you tell me son of mud not there, brother?
No, you're not. Yo, you watch your man. Boom, man.
There you go.
Yo, up the boss.
No.
Funny, you know.
Up the thing there now. England.
Yo.
UK. World place. You're so far out. Watch out, I leave the one. No one to catch all the diamond.
No, man. Real answer. That's true.
Yeah, the real man. You fake things there.
That's true.
So we're supposed to sell them out.
Yo, see, I'm going to try to share it. Yes, bro. And me over there start trying to pick up some stuff. And me walk in. Couldn't even find my phone.
Yeah.
See? Walk in. I'm going to share the station. And I ask myself, say, yo.
Real.
No. Yes, no, I'm that. I'm the same
If you look out for me, man.
Brother, I always look out, brother. Always. Believe me,
brother, I tune a chop.
me know, man. Me hear it.
Tune a chop.
Yo, if you right DJ, I say about it.
Just
That
come
me
on,
talk about.
brother. Yo, brother, I said, I couldn't believe. It's like, you see, our producer.
Yeah.
It's like, him rich out his music to man. Him rich out his song to man. One song, brother. Me tell a man say one song can't be rich.
That's true, man.
Them man say, you say, you for leak, brother. You know, say, you want some stop leak, brother.
So you say you can't control that report.
It's a simple thing that, man. Oh, you know, so that's come like smoke.
Oh, man. Where you are?
Yeah.
I don't mean them kind of catch up.
I can't do no dirty furniture. I know my fingernail them dirty up, brother. I must have artist thing and all my father. Different thing and all.
Yeah, highlight, yeah.
You tell me I take this, I drink a bucket of Hennessy.
That's true, man.
I
life. Oh, yes, around me,
You know, I leave my 2 total cars. I have some girl on the hotel away. You see it?
So, yo.
One night time, man. Know yourself. We have slapped the entourage member. Alright. But me left a thing with us still because you don't know, you know.
Yeah, man, left a thing, man.
Yeah, I'm a general for a morning and you don't know. We can't bust a road and we not come check your schedule and make you get something.
True, man.
So you me I say no. A euro this, you know. And you see me euro.
You say money look ugly.
Yeah, me I tell you. Euro and US mix up in this right now. You understand? All I'm on this is 800,000, you know.
Alright, my boss.
Buy up something and get all them dirty thing can. You understand me?
Man, it a work, man. It a work.
Believe me, brother. I don't know something.
Yo, I saw people believe in people.
I go back on the hotel and I will check it out, man. I have a studio session in later.
Show up me now, keep me posted. You know, so that what you do.
That's cool, man. That's cool, man. Anyway.
Right, you come from far, right?
Right.
Alright, you come from far. Right, man.
You see it? You see what yourself, so I have to move on now.
Yeah, man. So, let's watch a step.
Yeah, man. I don't like them dirty mother.
Yeah.
You see me?
And face time again.
Them dirty mother, brother.
Man, boss. Yeah, man. I mean, we probably
The girl they love me, so the girl they love me still look them. Hey, me no know how they love me, so when me go on the road, them a look me, so me say the girl them love me when me boss. Yes. Me say me go my yard put a tea some buckle. You wanna feel the back, the buckle, because I baby. You wanna feel the buckle, yeah. Run.
So I believe that, yo. But still, you know, enough money you owe me, you know. Most this, because one time I gave 10,000 there last year. One time me pay for that sitting there. But it's a take care right still. It's a take care right. You can't waste them savings and pull your butt up.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.